Welcome to Top 10 Crypto News. The most popular crypto story today is what is Loopring. Loopring explained. Loopring is a software running on Ethereum that aims to incentivize a global network of users to operate a platform that enables the creation of new types of crypto asset exchanges. In 2017, Loopring conducted an initial coin offering, raising $120,000 in Ether worth $45 million. Using this same technique, CK rollups bundle hundreds of transfers into a single transaction, which allows fast and cheap trades to first occur outside the Ethereum blockchain. This includes information such as a user's account balances and order histories. Further, LRC helps incentivize the proper use of the Loopring network. Elsewhere, any user can stake LRC to earn a portion of trading fees paid to the protocol. The second most popular crypto story today is former Ripple executive loses keys to digital wallet holding $240 million worth of Bitcoin. Former Ripple executive Stephen Thomas may have made a fortune off Bitcoin, but he might never be able to touch it. The German-American programmer disclosed that he previously had 7,002 Bitcoin safely stored on a digital wallet, but that he forgot the password to it. Thomas said, "I would just lay in bed and think about it." Thomas' misfortune with forgotten keys is not uncommon. According to cryptocurrency data analytics Chainalysis, around 20% of the currently circulating 18.5 million Bitcoin is lost forever, held on stranded wallets that owners have forgotten the digital key to and therefore can no longer access. The reason we have banks is that we don't want to deal with all those things that banks do. The third most popular crypto story today is RadioShack to rebrand as cryptocurrency exchange platform. RadioShack announced plans to rebrand as a cryptocurrency exchange platform in an effort to keep the 100-year-old brand alive. Rev leaders Ty Lopez and Alex Mayer also founded Atlas Universal Store of Value, a crypto that has now partnered with RadioShack to help realize this new vision. The RadioShack brands have resonated with consumers for nearly 100 years, and we are confident RadioShack's relaunch as a cutting-edge e-commerce company will amplify the awareness of this iconic brand internationally. Mayer said in a statement last year upon acquisition, CRYPTOCURRENCY Outlook 2022, energy efficiency, adoption, and regulation in the year ahead. 1 year later, Rev will try to revamp RadioShack as a decentralized finance area to lead the way for blockchain tech to reach mainstream adoption. Mayer and Lopez specifically aim to bridge the generational gap that currently exists between the more active crypto community and the wider, mainstream audience. This sets RadioShack up as a competitor to exchange services such as Coinbase and Binance. The fourth most popular crypto story today is MicroStrategy gobbles up another $94,200,000 worth of Bitcoin as crypto markets move sideways. MicroStrategy is placing yet another bet on Bitcoin even as the leading cryptocurrency continues an apparent market downtrend. With Bitcoin trading at $47,019.13 at time of writing, MicroStrategy's BTC Trove is currently worth nearly $5.84 billion. Saylor has explained in past interviews that he thinks Bitcoin will go up in value forever due to its capped supply, which cannot increase regardless of demand and price. The Daily Hodl does not recommend the buying or selling of any cryptocurrencies or digital assets, nor is the Daily Hodl an investment advisor. Please note that the Daily Hodl participates in affiliate marketing. The fifth most popular crypto story today is $2.20 million in Bored Ape NFTs stolen. OpenSea freezes transactions. BeInCrypto. OpenSea froze $2.2 million worth of stolen NFT Bored Apes after the owner reported the incident. A total of 15 monkeys and mutants were stolen. The buying and selling of these items is suspended. However, what really stirred the pot was the fact that OpenSea banned the PAYC NFT series. In the meantime, NFT marketplaces will have to guarantee strict security practices under penalty of alienating their members. Warning: all information on our website is posted in good faith and for general information purposes only. The sixth most popular crypto story today is Billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya says Visa and Mastercard will be the biggest business failures in 2022, losing out to altcoin-linked projects. Brianage, Getty Images for TechCrunch. Visa and Mastercard will lose out to Web3-based payment projects in 2022, Chamath Palihapitiya said. To him, the long-standing payment systems used all over the world are a completely contrived duopoly that doesn't need to exist. Be short these companies and anybody that basically lives off of this 2 or 3% tax, and be long well thought out Web3 crypto projects that are rebuilding payments infrastructure in a completely decentralized way. He said, "A spread trade is a market order in which a trader simultaneously carries out a purchase of one security and sale of a related security in a single unit." Palihapitiya based his opinion on Amazon's decision to ban the usage of Visa credit cards in the UK because of high transaction fees last month. "The canary in the coal mine here is pretty significant," he said. The seventh most popular crypto story today is why Bitcoin is the best weapon society has against inflation and wealth inequality. Getty for Bitcoin enthusiasts. One of the most compelling things about about the cryptocurrency is its ability to sidestep fiat monetary systems that dilute the value of cash holdings through inflation. Central bankers claim this isn't a concern because they contend that all the cash ultimately trickles down to the man on the street, be it through stimulus checks or higher wages or fatter pension funds or whatever other pathway they conjure up. As soon as the interest rate paid by borrowers increases, the shaky foundations of our COVID-era economic recovery will collapse. Never, that is, until 2009, when the launch of the Bitcoin monetary network gave the world its first taste of decentralized blockchain technology. I've already alluded to the fact that creating a monetary system from scratch is virtually impossible because money has no value unless enough people believe it has value. Not many people do their weekly shop with gold. The 8th most popular crypto story today is U.S. city installs crypto ATM at airport after accepting cryptocurrency for payments. Finance Bitcoin news. U.S. city installs crypto ATM at airport after accepting cryptocurrency for payments. The U.S. city of Williston in North Dakota is installing a cryptocurrency ATM at its international airport. The city clarified that it does not act as the fund custodian or manage any crypto transactions, emphasizing that purchases and withdrawals are handled by CoinCloud. He noted, "Now with a municipal-hosted DCM, we are creating a successful roadmap for the public to embrace cryptocurrency." What do you think about the city of Williston installing a crypto ATM at its international airport and accepting cryptocurrencies for utility bill payments? Let us know in the comments section below. It is not a direct offer or solicitation of an offer to buy or sell, or a recommendation or endorsement of any products, services, or companies. The 9th most popular crypto story today is the SEC case against the sale of Ripple Labs, a bit of a double standard. During last week's rehearsal of a congressional hearing on the $2.5 trillion crypto blockchain firm, we got only a small glimpse of how little the government knew about a technology that could transform the way we do business. In court, the SEC tells the crypto world that it really hasn't made an official ruling on whether Bitcoin or Ethereum complies with securities laws. Big media against Jiggy. The popular explanation for the implosion of Jiggy Sohn's appointment as FCC commissioner is ideological. Sohn, a progressive brand, is the victim of the fiercely partisan debate over who should regulate the U.S. $22 trillion economy. Sohn has long questioned two issues they hold dear: overly restrictive protections of the copyright and what is called retransmission consent. The 10th most popular crypto story today is Cathie Wood thinks Ethereum is even more undervalued than Bitcoin, but she believes another crypto could have even more upside potential. The famed investor, founder, CIO and CEO of ARK Investment Management, known for its themed exchange-traded funds, hasn't held back in her predictions of how high Bitcoin can trade. Indeed, she expects institutions to move further into not only Bitcoin, but also into Ether, especially because of DEFI. I think that move is going to accelerate, and I think we're going to be surprised at some institutions even dabbling in NFTs. She said, "Whatever price tag Wood puts on that optimism, it surely won't be conservative." If you enjoyed the top 10 crypto news stories today, then like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.